Hi! In this lesson, I'll give you a quick tip on how to improve your pronunciation and, most importantly, your listening skills. Here is my piece of advice. Practice minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are pairs of words which differ only in one sound. For example, to dye your hair is not the same as to tie your hair. As you can see, the only difference between the two words is the first d in dye and t in tie. Or one more example of two pairs of words you have to be careful in pronouncing. Beach and bitch. Sheet and shit. They sound almost exactly the same and very often cause trouble for foreign learners. Moreover, it creates miscommunication when you hear or say a word incorrectly. So, minimal pairs mainly improve your listening in that they train your ears to distinguish between two similar words which could otherwise be confusing to you. You can also use minimal pairs to train your muscles by concentrating on the sounds that you find more challenging to you. S and th, I and e, v and w. They are absolutely great to help you to become more aware of your pronunciation. Let's pronounce a couple of words to distinguish between s and th. So, sick, thick, sink, think, miss, myth, mouse, mouth, sigh, thigh, song, thong, pass, path, force, fourth, mass, math, sum, thumb, saw, thaw, sing, thing. And in my next video lessons, we're going to have lots of practice, but also leave a list of useful resources for your self-study down below. See you soon! Bye!